Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about something that's really close to home for a lot of us: pet insurance. You know, with pet ownership skyrocketing these days, it's super important to understand the ins and outs of pet insurance.
We'll dive into what it really is, how to spot scams, and what you need to know before you buy. Trust me, this info could save you a lot of heartache and money down the road. First off, let's get one thing straight: pet insurance isn't a scam.
But, there are definitely scams out there, so it's vital to be aware. The pet insurance market has really taken off, and while that's great for pet owners, it also means you need to be on guard. There are some sketchy companies out there that prey on our love for our furry friends. Now, let's talk about some signs that you might be dealing with a scam. One of the big red flags is fake policies.
You know, those companies that use official-sounding names to lure you in. And, if you see premiums that seem way too low, that's another warning sign usually. If it sounds too good to be true, it is.
And the worst part, some of these companies just take your money and disappear. It's like, oh, where did they even go? Then there's misleading coverage.
Some companies will boast about having wide coverage, but when you actually read the fine print, you find all these exclusions.
It's frustrating, right? You think you're covered, but then they deny your claim based on some vague language or a condition you didn't even know about. That feeling of betrayal is, gut-wrenching.
Oh, and don't forget about unlicensed insurers. If a company isn't licensed or accredited, you should definitely steer clear. They might pressure you to sign up quickly, and trust me, that's a huge red flag.
Poor customer service is another indicator. If they aren't responsive when you have questions, it's time to move on. Now, if you're thinking about getting pet insurance, there are a few things you should know first.
There are different types of coverage: accident only, accident and illness, and wellness plans. It's important to pick the right one for your pet's needs, especially considering factors like reimbursement rates, deductibles, and annual limits.
You'll also want to be aware of waiting periods and exclusions, especially for pre-existing conditions. So how do you protect yourself when buying pet insurance? First, you need to know your needs. Think about your pet's age, breed, and health. This will help you find the right coverage. Next, do your research. Look into top pet insurance companies, check out customer reviews, and see what their reputation is like. It's super helpful to know what others have experienced.
Understanding the policy is huge too. Read that fine print carefully, don't skip it. Know about potential premium increases and clarify the claims process. And don't hesitate to seek recommendations from family, friends, or even your vet.
They can have valuable insights based on their experiences. And, always check for licensing. Make sure the insurer is legitimate by looking into their accreditation and reviews. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of headaches.
So, to wrap this up, I just want to emphasize the value of pet insurance when you plan and do your research. But if you're still feeling unsure, maybe consider alternatives like a pet savings account.
It's a way to save up for those unexpected vet bills without the stress of a complicated insurance policy. And I really hope this information helps you guys feel more empowered when it comes to taking care of your pets.
If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences with pet insurance. Remember, we're all in this together.
Taking care of our pets is a huge responsibility, but with the right knowledge, we can make informed decisions. And honestly, I'm just grateful for the chance to share this with you.
We're all learning and growing, and that's what makes this journey worthwhile. Thanks for tuning in.